Hello dear plant friends, this is Faith Chi from Norfolk in England. Today I'm talking about my new pH meter which I bought for water testing for my plants. I haven't taken it out of its box yet because I wanted to make a video of it. I wanted to show you. I've never used a pH meter before, but I thought since I'm looking after my plants better, I ought to test the water. Just reading this, what's this? Extended warranty. Oh, I think the business which I bought this from is called imrli.com. 6 months extended warranty, so I get 18 months in total. I'll have to sort that out. Right, what have we got here? We've got some sachets here. This is all brand new to me. pH buffer powder 9.18. Get 2 of those. 2 of pH buffer powder 6.86 and 2 pH buffer powders of 4.0. That's what you get in the box with the meter, and these seem to be instructions. I'll see if I can get that in focus for you. There we are. These are the specs. It doesn't mean much to me at the moment. Right, and this is the pH meter itself. It's supposed to be self-calibrating because I was worried about not knowing how to calibrate it myself. There's a plastic film over the display. It does have tiny scratches on the display though. How do you open it? Look at the instructions. There's a calibration chart. Instructions. Remove the protective cap and protective film on the screen. Oh, that came off. Oh, they got the calibration at the bottom here. Calibration. Turn on pH meter. Dissolve each buffer solution in 250 ml distilled water. Immerse the electrode into the pH 6.86 solution under the temperature of 25. Press the calibration button for 5 seconds and release. Display will start flashing 6.86. Wait until the display stops flashing. Rinse the electrode with distilled water and dry it with filter paper. I don't have distilled water. I'll have to get some distilled water before I try this out. Anyway, that's my new pH meter, and once I get the distilled water sorted out, I will show you how it's working. Thanks for watching. Bye.